Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best farmhouse clock is probably one of the most charming and functional additions you can make to your home decor, blending rustic aesthetics with practical timekeeping to create a focal point that's both stylish and useful. Whether you're aiming for a cozy country vibe or a touch of vintage elegance, a well-chosen farmhouse clock can tie a room together, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere that resonates with a sense of tradition and comfort. It's more than just a timepiece, it's a statement piece that speaks to a simpler, more grounded way of living, making it an essential element for anyone looking to enhance their living space with character and warmth. Number 5. Stonebriar Large 12-inch Decorative Tabletop Clock. Add a touch of antique European charm to your home with this elegant clock. Its distressed white finish and vintage face offer a unique, sophisticated look. Measuring 13 inches tall and 8 inches wide, it's the ideal size for your mantel, shelf, or any tabletop. It fits beautifully without overwhelming your space. Featuring a classic clock face with a central cross detail and Roman numerals, it combines vintage aesthetics with modern battery-operated convenience. This decorative piece is a perfect addition to elevate the style of your kitchen, living room, bathroom, or bedroom. It complements various decor styles effortlessly. It operates on a single AA battery, making it easy to set up and enjoy its timeless appeal. Please note, the battery is not included. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This clock makes a wonderful present for housewarmings, birthdays, or Christmas, offering both style and function. What we like? If you love a vintage aesthetic, this one is for you. Its distressed white finish and Roman numerals give it an antique European feel. If you're looking for a statement piece for your mantel or shelf, this is a great choice. What people say. The clock is a perfect size for a shelf and has a lovely farmhouse design. It keeps accurate time and the ticking sound is very quiet, which is great for a bedroom. The distressed finish adds a rustic charm that complements my decor beautifully. Number 4. Driini Wooden Analog Desktop Clock. Stay on schedule with this contemporary minimalist clock. Its pinewood design and silent analog operation make it a perfect addition to any home. Display this clock on your mantel, kitchen counter, or bookshelf. Its compact size allows it to fit nicely into a variety of narrow spaces. Place this mini clock in your bedroom, office, or bathroom. Choose from 4 colors to complement any space's style. Setup is easy, just insert one AA battery and set the time. Watch as the silent hands glide through the hours. Choose Driini for unique aesthetics, minimalist simplicity, and no-nonsense function. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. What we like? For those who appreciate minimalist design and quiet operation, this clock is ideal. Its compact size and natural pinewood construction make it a versatile decor piece. If you need a clock that fits into tight spaces and won't disturb your peace, consider this one. What people say. This clock is a perfect size for a shelf and has a nice farmhouse look. The clock is easy to read with large numbers and a clear display. It keeps accurate time and the ticking sound is very quiet. Number 3. Napoleon Mantel, Desk and Shelf Clock. Introducing a vintage-inspired clock, designed to add a touch of timeless elegance to any room. Its classic design complements any decor style. Measuring 13 by 10 inches, this clock is the ideal size for your living room, home, or office. It fits perfectly on any tabletop without being overwhelming. Experience the unique charm of its aged steel finish, expertly hand-painted to create a modern farmhouse aesthetic. This piece adds a distinctive accent color to your home. Enjoy precise timekeeping with its accurate quartz movement, ensuring you're always on schedule. It's built with premium components for lasting performance. This elegant timepiece is designed to bring any space to life. It's a wonderful addition to create a stylish and decorative statement in your home or office. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This decorative clock is an excellent choice for housewarmings or any occasion. It adds a stylish accent to any entryway or living space. What we like? If you're aiming for a modern farmhouse look with a pop of color, this clock is a standout. The aged teal finish and domed lens add a unique, artistic touch. Choose this if you want a decorative piece that also functions as a conversation starter. What people say. The clock has a beautiful farmhouse design that looks great on a shelf. It's a quiet clock, with no annoying ticking sound. The numbers are large and easy to read from across the room. Number 2. Rustic Windmill Table Clock. Bring the charm of the countryside to your home with this unique clock. Its classic windmill silhouette adds warmth and character to any farmhouse or vintage-style decor. Crafted from sturdy galvanized iron and a solid wood base, this clock is built to last. Its distressed finish provides an authentic rustic appeal. Enjoy peace and quiet with its high-quality silent quartz movement. It keeps accurate time without any annoying ticking sounds, perfect for any room. This is more than just a clock, it's a statement decor piece. It's ideal for mantels, shelves, or desks to instantly elevate your space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes a perfect choice for housewarmings, birthdays, or anyone who loves farmhouse, country, or industrial home decor. What we like? This clock is perfect for anyone embracing a rustic or industrial farmhouse style. The charming windmill silhouette and durable galvanized metal and wood construction bring authentic country vibes. If you want to add a unique, thematic element to your decor, this is the one. What people say. The clock is a perfect size for a shelf and has a clear, easy-to-read face. It has a nice vintage farmhouse look that complements my decor well. The ticking sound is very quiet, almost unnoticeable, which is great for a bedroom. Number 1. Driini Digital House-Shaped Alarm Clock. Introducing a stylish alarm clock designed to blend seamlessly into your daily life. It's more than just a clock, it's a modern addition to any space. This unique clock features an innovative illuminating window light that you can easily control. Its cute and cool design fits perfectly in any room, from your bedroom to your office. Brighten up your day with its dimmable LED display, adjustable to your preference. You can choose to see the time or the current temperature for added convenience. Measuring just 4.25 x 3.75 x 2.7 foot, its compact size makes it ideal for any nightstand, bookshelf, or mantel without taking up too much space. Available in 3 unique colors, it complements any home decor style. Collect them all to create a cozy ambience and impress your friends with its versatile display options. Getting started is easy with the included USB power cable and adapter. Simply plug it in for reliable, uninterrupted function. What we like? If you're looking for a cute and functional digital clock with a modern twist, this house-shaped option is fantastic. Its LED display and temperature feature add a unique touch to any bedside or desk. If you like playful yet practical decor, this is a great pick. What people say. The clock is a perfect size for a shelf and has a lovely farmhouse design. It keeps accurate time and the ticking sound is very quiet, which is great for a bedroom. The distressed finish adds a rustic charm that complements my decor beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.